To implement CAG 2.1 Success Criteria 1.2.2, you need to provide synchronized captions for all audio content in the web page. This will make the audio content accessible to people who are deaf or hard of hearing. Here are some steps to implement synchronized captions. Create captions for the audio content. Captions should include all audio information, such as speaker identification, sound effects, and music descriptions. Synchronize captions with the audio content. Captions should appear at the same time as the corresponding audio content and should be synchronized with the audio. Provide a means to turn off captions. Give users the option to turn off captions if they prefer not to use them. Example code for HTML5 video with synchronized captions. In the example code above, the element provides the source for the captions file, captions.btt, and the kind attribute specifies that the track is a caption track. The srclang attribute specifies the language of the captions, and the label attribute provides a label for the captions. By implementing these steps, you can ensure that your website is accessible to people with hearing disabilities.